Alright, we got a new job that has come up. So A1502, and let's have a look at it very quickly. And this one basically, I'll get the screen up. So this one basically turns on, works fine on external monitor, but nothing on the internal screen. But the computer is actually working beautifully fine, as we can see here. Okay, an external monitor does work fine. So it looks like it has been cleaned. Do we have a backlight? Oh, I can see maybe. Oh, no. Okay, hard to see. There's any backlight. Okay. Yeah, I definitely cannot see anything. Try and power off the unit. It's completely off. Power it on. And this one, if I remember, has the EFI lock. So there's a lock symbol that pops up on the external monitor. Okay. Alright, so this one has some security, but we don't have a screen yet. Okay. Let's quickly have a look. Okay, that's fully off. Okay. So the keyboard LCD connector is fine. Let's disconnect the battery. Okay. Let's check the LCD connector out. No liquid marks. But it is quite dirty. Let's give it a clean with alcohol. There's a bit of a liquid spill there. Apple logo. Nice. Just check that out again. That's looking good. Okay. Nothing serious, but I think this is one of the cores. This is usually all, if you like, bugs, you know, cockroaches and crap like that all over this, unfortunately. So we'll give it a good clean with the disgusting. Okay. I want to warm it, okay, because there's a lot of it here. Ah, man. Anyway, we'll give it a full blow. Oh, I don't feel good. Disgusting. Okay, alright. I'll give it a clean. That's the end of this video. Hopefully you're not eating while watching this. Okay. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.